everyone, let's continue with the basic electronics video lecture sessions. In today's lecture, I am going to explain about the unbiased diode and clipper circuit. The unbiased clipper, that is nothing but the diode circuit which is used to cut the unwanted portion of the input signal. So let's start with the classification of clipper circuits. This is the classification of clipper circuit. There are two main types, unbiased and biased. Unbiased, that means no external DC supply is connected, and biased, that is one external DC supply is connected. The unbiased clipper, which will be divided into two main types, series and parallel, and it will be classified into another two main types. Those are positive, negative based on the direction of the die. That means we will have the two main types, series and parallel unbiased clipper. In today's session, we will study about the positive series unbiased clipper and negative series unbiased clipper. So let's continue with the main topics: unbiased series clipper, series positive clipper, and series negative clipper. First of all, what is the definition of clipper? The clipper is the diode circuit which is used as a wave shaping circuit. That means it is used to remove the unwanted portion of input cycle. It may be top half or bottom half. There are two main types, series clipper and parallel clipper. Unbiased clipper, that I already explained, that is unbiased clipper means there is no DC supply is connected externally with the circuit diagram. Look at this. This is the series clipper fundamentals. According to these two main diagrams, I have taken only one PN junction diode and I have shown the two different connections for the forward biasing and reverse biasing rule. As per the rule, series clipper, that means diode is connected in series with the input signal. That means it is known as series clipper. It can be used to remove the positive half of the cycle or negative half of the input cycle. But according to the rules, look at this. This is the first figure. If the connection will look like this, if P means P-type material of diode is connected with anode and N-type terminal is connected with cathode, then it is known as forward bias connection. But if the input signal is applied in the diagram number 2, that means like this. In this direction, if diode is connected, that means N is connected with plus input and P is connected with minus input. Then it is known as reverse biasing condition. So according to the direction and position of the diode, we will define the different types of the clipper. So let us start with the first series positive clipper. As per the circuit diagram of series positive clipper, the diode will be connected in this direction and in series position with the V input. We will have the V input will be the sine wave and we will connect the output voltage waveform across the load resistance RL. So we will discuss about the two cases for input-output waveform during positive half cycle of the input and during negative half cycle of the input. First of all, for series positive clipper, the input waveform is applied across this input plus minus terminal. So we will draw the axis like this and input is the sine wave. So we will discuss about the first case, that is case 1 for positive half cycle. So according to this circuit diagram, during positive half cycle, what will be the output waveform? So that is our main task, to derive the output waveform. So during positive half cycle of the input, the diode is reverse biased because look at this input input plus terminal is at the top, which is connected to the N terminal of diode. So it is reverse bias connection. So diode is reverse biased. If diode is reverse biased, then diode behaves as an open switch. That means it will look like a open circuit, so that current cannot flow through the open circuit if diode is connected in series with the input, so that output is 0 if current cannot flow, and if diode is connected in series, so finally output current cannot flow, and if current is not flowing, output current is 0. That's why VO equal to 0, because as per the Ohm's law, V equal to IR. If I equal to 0, I into R equal to 0, and thus V output equal to 0. So look at this is the waveform of output. So we will draw here that output will be 0 in the output waveform. Thus, during positive half cycle, in the duration between 0 to pi of input cycle, diode is reverse biased, open, so that current is 0 and finally output will be 0 as shown in the output waveform. Now, let us discuss about the case 2, and that is for negative half cycle. During negative half cycle, look at this input waveform. As per the case 2, during negative half cycle, the diode connections will be reversed. That means, during negative half cycle of the input, look at this input waveform, between pi to 2 pi, we will have the input cycle will be negative, and due to that, top terminal of the circuit diagram will be minus and bottom terminal of the input will be plus. And due to this minus connection with N type of diode terminal, so the diode becomes forward bias. Thus, for case 2, for negative half cycle of the input, diode goes into forward bias connection and condition of forward bias. That means current flows and diode acts as a short circuit or closed switch. So as per ideal condition, there is no resistance and maximum current can flow. According to that, V output is equal to input. Means output follows the input. Output is same as the input if we are assuming here that diode is ideal. So look at this. This is the output waveform in which output will be same as input if diode is an ideal diode. Now let's study about the next type of clipper. This is the diagram of series positive clipper in which the diode position is fixed, which is in series with the input, and direction of diode, that is NP, that is also fixed. Then for alternating input cycle, we have discussed the two cases, case 1 and case 2, for positive half cycle and for negative half cycle. Now, this is the series negative clipper in which the diode direction will be reversed. Here also we have connected the diode, it is in series with the input. So this is one of the type of unbiased but series clipper, right? But if the diode direction will be reversed so that P and diode is connected with the input in series, then we will discuss about the case 1 and case 2 for the input half cycle, positive as well as negative respectively. So let me discuss about the input waveform through the axis, y-axis and x-axis for input-output waveform as shown in this diagram. Look at this, these are the axes, y-axis and x-axis for drawing the input and output waveforms. Input waveform will be always the AC signal, sine wave. So we can easily explain the conditions and rules for diode and clipper for getting the output waveform for during positive half cycle and for negative half cycle. So let me start with the positive half cycle. Whenever the input signal positive half cycle is applied to the input, then plus is connected with the P type of diode. So the diode will be forward bias and therefore it will act as a closed switch. If ideal diode is considered, then maximum current flows and due to the closed switch, the resistance will be 0 and we are getting the maximum output. So that we can draw the output waveform which will be exactly same as input between 0 to pi. So let's draw the output waveform. Output equal to input. That means output follows the input exactly during positive half cycle between 0 to pi. Now I will explain the case 2. So let me discuss and explain the case 2 during negative half cycle of the input. So let's draw the negative half cycle at the input cycle. Look at this. This is the during negative half cycle. Again I will explain the case 2, but at that time the input terminals will be reversed. That means input is minus at the top of the circuit and plus at the bottom. So minus is connected with the p-type material of diode, means p terminal of the diode. So this is reverse bias connection or rule. So as per the rule and reverse biased condition of the diode, it behaves as an open switch, and so that if diode is open circuit, then current cannot flow. And if current is 0, easily we can understand that output will be 0, V equal to IR as per the Ohm's law. So finally, in case 2, during negative half cycle, as input terminals will be reversed, the output voltage will be 0, even though the input cycle is negative. Fine. So we will have this output waveform like this, between pi to 2 pi. Thus, during positive and during negative half cycle of the input, we can explain the series positive clipper and series negative clipper easily with the help of diode direction with the series position. And input is always sine. That's all about today's session. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt or query, you can mail me anytime. And finally, thank you.